All y'all, today is Tuesday, April 6th, and it's time to go ahead and start putting some seeds in the ground. So it appears that the cold weather is done with. Here we have sugar baby watermelon. We have musk melon, aka cantaloupe. Here we have cucumbers. What is that? Summer cucumbers. Summer cucumbers. Anyway, all of these seeds are heirloom, except for the cucumbers. For some reason, I just couldn't find heirloom cucumbers. Now they are organic though. They are organic. Here we have beefsteak tomatoes. We have yellow crooked neck squash. Wait a minute. Crook neck squash. Here we have spaghetti squash. Spaghetti winter squash. And we have golden sweet corn. Golden bantam sweet corn is heirloom organic. Here we have it's bell peppers, so red and green. We have for the first time red Russian kale. It also be my first time planting squash. I'm sorry, spaghetti squash. First time planting tomatoes, and the first time doing cantaloupe. Now, concerning I mentioned the red Russian kale already, been my first time. And as far as the chard is something I'm familiar with now. And I'm growing 2 packs of that because we did so good with that last year. And I love chard. So I got 2 packs, 2 packages. We have the Blue Lake bush beans. Again, they turned out real good last year. And 2 of those. So 2 bush beans, 2 chard, and 1 of everything else. Now this empty space here, we have about 3 feet. Well, I'm sorry, we have about 6.5 feet. It's going to be dedicated to sweet potatoes and white potatoes. Of course, I'm going to try to move all this down, maybe a foot or 2, so I can have maybe 8 feet to work with over here, or at least about 7 feet. All right, so we'll try to get everything in the ground today, maybe. Kind of hungry, so got to get this up with quick because I'm fasting, and it is in the afternoon right now. It's about 12 or 1 p.m. I haven't had a meal since about 10 or 11 p.m. on last night. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. All right, it's a wrap, y'all. We're planting everything except corn, and I'm tired, so it may turn out all right, may not, because the dirt was kind of packed. It needed to be emitted again. I didn't feel like doing it. Kind of tired. So anyway, here's what it is. Hope it turned out right. Thank you guys for joining us again. In case you guys are back in the next one. Have a good one.